The possibilities of use of scratch-off stickers are endless. You can use it to make gift discount vouchers for customers. Sweepstake cards for family or business events. Gender reveals or bridal shower games. And other games for family or company. It's simple to make your own scratch-off cards. Print the content of the card on the cardstock, cut the cards, and then paste the scratch sticker on the content you need to cover. It's easy to scratch with a coin or something like that. The content underneath is clearly revealed. These scratch-off stickers consist of 3 layers: backing paper, clear sticker and special film of metallic foil. When the top film is scratched off, under the film, it's a clear sticker through which you can see the content on the card. It is precisely because of this transparent sticker, this scratch-off sticker can also be used on ordinary thin printing paper without damage the paper by scratching.